What's up, YouTube? It's April360 back at it again with another video, man. What's going on with y'all today, man? Today's video is going to be about what should you do after a fresh cut. I've been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of comments. People have been asking me, what do I do after a fresh cut? What do I do before a fresh cut? That video will be coming soon, but today's video is about what do I do after a fresh cut. Like, what do you do when you go to the barbershop and you fresh up out the chair, your hair is cut, you clean, your sideburns is trimmed, you got a fresh, crispy lineup. What do you do after your fresh cut? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what do you do after a fresh cut, what steps do you do, and everything in order, and basically a tutorial. Because I just got my fresh cut. It's about like 3 days old, 2-3 days old, but it's still a fresh cut. You feel me? I'm not too late, I'm not too early. So with that being said, if you got a do-rag, gonna come out the do-rag. And if you got a fresh cut and you watching this video, man, this was meant for you. This was meant for you. This was meant to drop for you guys for today. With that being said, I'm gonna come out the do-rag. You see I cut the sideburns off. Gotta keep it clean, gotta keep your face clean. Gotta keep it all cleaned up, keep it trimmed up. But let's come out the do-rag for y'all for the one time. Let's come out the do-rag. The do-rag, the do-rag, the do-rag. Ooh. Fresh cut. You feel me? I ain't get nothing trimmed off the top. This is just, I just got to line up in the taper. Y'all know me, I keep my hair a 4+ with the grain. I keep my hair super thick. And if you want the secret to how to keep your hair thick and laid, just comment below and let me know. I'm still working on that crown. But yeah, y'all see the laid, y'all see the waves. Yeah, they laid, look, fresh taper. Fresh taper, look at the waves, oh my God. Fresh taper on this side, yeah. Crispy lineup, yeah. You feel me? But yeah, the steps on what should you do. I'm fresh at the rack, so of course my hair is laid. You feel me? But what should you do after a fresh cut? First, you want to wash your hair, which I already did that. You want to wash your hair because you just got a haircut. You got hairs in your hair. You want to wash it. You want to get it nice and clean and fresh. You feel me? Wash your hair real good with some shampoo, washing style or conditioner style. You feel me? Whichever works for you. Then you want to get that comb. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. You better make sure you got that comb. You better make sure you got that comb, because you're going to need that comb. And this is what I wash my hair with. I might do a video on it coming soon. Sorry about that. Somebody was knocking at the door. Like I was saying, you want to get you some of this. This is what I wash my hair with. Olive oil, shampoo, creamy shampoo. Man, this is, I recommend this. Video coming soon if you want the video. You feel me? But with that being said, you want to make sure you got your comb. Grab your comb. Get up and grab your comb. Get up and brush. What are you doing still laying down? Get up. Stop watching my video laying down in your bed and get up and go in the mirror and go brush. What is you doing? You want to comment. Ooh, that's kind of tender right there. Ooh. It's kind of tender. You want to get up. You want to go brush, man. My hair is super thick. I always tell y'all this. Get up and go brush. Get up and go comb, brush, whatever you do. But don't lay down and watch my videos, you feel me? Do not do that. Get up, go brush. It's kind of tender because I've been ragged up, but we ain't tripping. We're going to break through that tenderness. We're going to break through all that. We ain't worried about it. Oh, that feels so good. Ooh. Cause some spots be, man, it be feeling good. Look at my hair. Look at that. It's so long. So, look how long my hair is. Woo. Keep my hair thick. I told y'all. I like to keep my hair nice and thick. Nice and thick. You want to get that good comb set. You want to comb your hair. You feel me? You just got a fresh cut, so you want to make sure you give it that full treatment. You want to give it that full treatment. Lay down. You feel me? So it's like, my bad for looking. I got a spider web connected to the light. And I don't know if that's a dead spider or what. I'll show y'all after the video. That's kind of weird though. That's kind of creepy. Feel me? I think it's dead though. I don't know. I want to see it. Look, my bed, that's messed up my whole. Hey, that, cause I'm looking at the web and it connects to the ceiling fan and it's a spider. I'm finna show y'all. Hold on. This is starting to mess with me. My bad. It's starting to mess with me. Y'all see the spider? It's like, I don't know if it's dead or what, but let's get back to the video. Sorry about that, y'all. It's just that spider had threw me off. I'm so sorry about that. But with that being said, like I was telling you, want to make sure you got your comb and you want to make sure you combing. You want to make sure you combing. You want to make sure you combing. Ooh. You want to make sure you combing. And then after you combing, like I told y'all, if you get that good comb session, then you want to grab your hard brush. And there's things to do after a fresh cut. Like I told you, you wash your style, or you want to do a conditioner, or however you want to do it. You feel me? Whichever rocks your boat. You feel me? Because not everybody's methods are the same. Everybody's methods are different. Everybody uses different methods. If you want to use Bucci 360 methods, then you could. You want to grab that hard brush and lay it down. No matter how thick my hair is, a washing style and a hard brush is going to bounce my hair back. It's going to bounce it back. I'm going to hit that side up real good also. This waving stuff is a lifestyle. Whew. It is a lifestyle. Couple forks. I ain't worried about the forks though. I love my forks. I love to see my failures and my accomplishments. You feel me? Some of y'all be, oh, you got forks. Oh, Fork City. We got a lot of forks. I love to see my failures. I love to see my accomplishments. Rule number one. You feel me? So that's just gonna motivate me. So I ain't tripping about forks or not. Cause when I get rid of these forks, what y'all gonna talk about? Thank you. So you feel me? Wanna brush it in real good. That hard brush. Keep that hair nice and thick. Then you want to use your Bucci 360 brush. Like I told you, if you want to order it, hit the link below. Order your Bucci 360 brush, $20. Order it today, right now. I'm going to ship it out today. You'll get it probably tomorrow or the next day. Order your Bucci 360 brush, medium curve brush right now. They almost sold out. So that's up to y'all, you feel me? If y'all going to support me or what. And if y'all want to FaceTime me, I got $10 FaceTime calls. We could get a brush session. We could chop it up about waves. We could do whatever you want. You feel me? $10 FaceTime calls. You feel me? It's worth it to me. Because if somebody I looked up to, if Jeezy or Sir Cruz does do it. But if like somebody was doing like, oh, $10 FaceTime calls, I want FaceTime them. I'm like, oh, what's up with the whoop? You're my idol. I watch your videos. You keep me going. You're a big inspiration. You feel me? So it's like that type of thing. So you feel me? It's all up to y'all though. If y'all really rocking with Bucci 360. Y'all let me know if y'all really rocking with me, you feel me? Because only action will show. So it's like, don't just say you rocking with me just to say you rocking with me. Don't just say Bucci gang just because you want to say Bucci gang. Fix that crown up. Don't just be saying that. Let me know you really rocking with me. Like, for real, no cap. I'm tired of fake love. I'm tired of all that. Let me know you really rocking with me. Let me know if you really notification gang. Let me know if you the first ones to comment. Let me know if you really thumbing up my video. Get this video 200 thumbs up if y'all rocking with me. If I get 1,000 views on this video, I should at least get 200 thumbs up. Come on now. Rock with me, man. Support the support. For real. After you get that in, with your medium brush in, you want to add a little moisturizer to your hair. I'm gonna add some of this oil. I ain't used it in a minute, but this was my #1 oil. It probably still is, you feel me? So Sometimes I switch up products. I switch it up every now and then. I use something else. You feel me? But like, I stick to my same little routine though. So it's like you wanna rub it in real good. My hair might be a little dry. Look how that side just busting. It's just busting. How that side just busting. You feel me? So it's like you wanna just take care of your hair. Like I always tell you guys. Take care of your hair. Brush your hair. Moisturize it. Don't just do 50-50. Don't just go hard with a brush session and then sleep without a rag. Don't go hard with a brush session and don't put no product in your hair. You feel me? So it's like, don't do that. Because you just wasted that hardcore brush session. You feel me? And you just wasted your time. So it's like, you don't want to do that. Then you want to end it off with a plastic bag method. You feel me? Lay it all the way down. You know, lay it down. Ooh. With that being said, you want to rag up. Once you rag up, you can double compress, or you don't have to. It's all up to you. But make sure you follow these steps after a fresh cut. You feel me? And with that being said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And make sure, let me know if you watched the whole video. You feel me? Comment below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn post notifications on if they're not turned on. And with that being said, it's a Bucci 360. Gang, we are out.